Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yet your future depends on me. When I write, you write. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have started species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my following dreams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your action will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to unfold. Are you?